celebrities are launching a lot of their skincare, hair care. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a haul. This is probably the first haul of 2023. So I'm super excited. I hope your new year went well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new products that I received from brands. Like मुझे brands से बहुत सारा PR receive होता है. बट मैं आपको सिर्फ वो चीज़ें दिखाने वाली हूँ जो बहुत ही डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. ऑल्सो आई गॉट सम प्रोडक्ट्स विद माई ओन मनी. सो येस, इफ यू आर एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट आई गॉट देन प्लीज consider subscribing first and then let's dive into the video. So this is the package that I have. I have all the products here. So I have some brush cleaner that I got from a brand. I really am excited to try that out. Dermaco. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started. The first thing that I have with me is the CS Essentials Brush Bath Makeup Brush Cleanser. And this one I haven't tried ever. Like मैंने कभी भी instant brush cleanser नहीं tried. I'm super excited about this one. This looks really promising to be honest. And I need to clean my brushes all the time. Like you can see my brushes are always so dirty. So I'm very excited to see how this works. This one retails for 600 rupees. Let's see how it works. If it works great, I'm definitely gonna review it on my stories, either on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Alright, so Love Child Masaba, if you don't know, is a brand by Masaba Gupta. And if you have seen her series on Netflix, then let me know because I haven't yet. I'm sorry, but I just don't watch series that often. But कभी कोई बहुत अच्छी series होती है तो मैं definitely देख लेती हूँ. But I'm more of a movie person because I just can't commit to the series. Series भी मैं वो देखती हूँ जो छोटी होती है, like 7-8 episodes. That's it. Okay, so Love Child Sabha actually sent me this, and this is their face acne control face mist. This sounds really interesting because the brand looks very promising and very colorful, so I'm very excited to see how this works. This is how the mist looks like. This is a face mist. This is not a toner basically, so you can spray it anytime on your face. Okay, now better. So whenever you just get the face mists, you have to like test the spray first. Sometimes this thing is not that great. Okay, इसका मिस्ट मुझे नहीं पसंद आ रहा है इतना because it just fits on your face and it's very not nice. Anyways, and it smells really weird. I'm not sure how this is gonna work. They sent me some of their face masks. This is the Glow Boost, Hydration Boost, Detanning, Depuffing. Celebrities are launching a lot of their skincare, hair care, makeup brands. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video like trying celebrity makeup products or something like that. Dermaco. Okay, Mama Earth launched makeup, tried it, we reviewed it, we liked some of the products. Some of them were like, not that. Then Plum launched. Plum के makeup products are also amazing. Now we have Dermaco. Like ये 3 brands ना line में चल रहे हैं and it's very difficult to keep up with them. I have a BB cream from Dermaco and I have a pore minimizing primer. I'm really excited about this one. Let's see the inside. Definitely use them on my YouTube shorts. It just looks like a moisturizer, but this is a pore minimizing primer. This is a 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream. This is how the packaging looks like. बहुत टाइम से I haven't tried a BB cream and I'm really curious to see how this works. Alright, so next up I have something from Insight, Conceal Corrector and Contour Palette. So Insight is also launching a lot of their products. Now Insight, Mars and Swiss Beauty. These 3 brands are also like going line in line and they're launching back-to-back products, which is exciting but very difficult for us creators to review and try out. Sometimes it gets very overboard. Shades look really nice. This is the palette. This looks like the Nykaa का जो आता है ना palette concealer, correct? Even MAC also has launched this thing. Very travel friendly by the way. And yeah, I like the color. This is for deep skin. Excited to try that. I was thinking of doing like a full face of Insight. I've done full face of Mars. I've done full face of Swiss Beauty. Insight का मैंने full face अभी तक नहीं किया है. So I have Insight का एक और product which is the lip palette. When I saw this, I was like, Mars has also launched this because Mars की मैंने try भी की है. Even Swiss Beauty also has lip palettes. Now Insight has lip palettes. Not sure, Mars पे तो अच्छा लगा था मुझे. So this is how it looks like. Now ये जो blue और yellow color आपको दिख रहे हैं ना, you'll have to mix it to create like a shade of your own. This is very interesting. We also have a white in there and a purple. So I love using lip products as my eye base before putting on eyeshadow because it sticks on very nicely. If you want to do like a purple eyeshadow, you can just use the cream base first, then add a purple eyeshadow. It will look stunning, trust me. So I'm really excited to see how this palette works for me. I'm gonna keep it as new. So these were all the products that were sent by the brands. Now I'm gonna share with you what I got with my own money, and I'm gonna start off with this. This is the PAC Micro Finish Setting Spray Makeup Fixer. This is how it looks like. I absolutely love it. ये मेरा दूसरा बॉटल है और मुझे underrated है. Like PAC के products बहुत ही underrated है मुझे ऐसा. This is how the makeup fixer looks like. It's stunning. It's premium quality. Very much comparable to the MAC. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you a spray, like how it sprays. Just look at that. Did you guys see this? It's so nice. Like, trust me, if you trust me, go and get this if you're looking for a good setting spray. This one retails for $9.95. Next, I got another shade in the She Glam blush. This is in the shade Rose Ritual. I absolutely loved it. She Glam blush, I'm definitely going to keep restocking every single time because they are so gorgeous. The finish is so nice on the blushes. By the way, international makeup you can get from any like store, local store, if you trust that store. मैं किसी भी store की आपको guarantee नहीं दे रही हूँ. Or you can also get some on Instagram pages. The She Glam Color Bloom Liquid Blush. It looks like I have another shade जो भी पड़ा है मेरे पास, but I wanted to get another shade. This is more on the peachy side. I got this for 750 rupees. Yes, 750 rupees. I also got She Glam Loose Powder. Now this one is face setting powder. Use under eye setting powder. This is Insta Ready setting powder from She Glam. Packaging, it's so cute. Packaging of the product. Now इसके जो ऊपर वाले part में है, this is a translucent powder basically. This is a compact. And then you just have to twist it and open it. This is a loose powder. Here you'll get that. I haven't tried it yet, so I was like, let me just buy it and try it, how it works. The orange peachy cap. They gave me this one. This is the Fashion Color Eyeliner. And they said you will love it and you'll definitely come and repurchase it. So I was like, okay, दे दो. बहुत ही सस्ता था ये. I think this was for ₹200 something they gave me. So I'll try it definitely soon in my videos and will share with you what I think. So I got this K Beauty lip liner. This one is the matte action lip liner and it is in the shade. This is in the shade Fame. It's like a dark brown shade. I had actually used it. I had to go to an event and I wanted a brown lip liner. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful shade. Looks stunning with nude shades. Nude lipsticks basically. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I got my first ever NARS product, their Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I've heard really good things about this. All the makeup artists use this. This one is in the shade Medium 3. Packaging is so premium. I also loved the Fenty Beauty highlighter there, but it was so expensive. So I was like, next time के लिए रखते हैं ये. So this is the foundation. This one is in the shade Medium. अभी तक मैंने टच भी नहीं किया है. So excited about this. वीडियो बनानी होती है इसलिए मैं ट्राई नहीं करती हूँ पहले. I would like to give my first impressions. Also got a Rare Beauty blush. Finally, I know I'm very late to the party, but I have to get one. This was for ₹2350 and oh my god. Yeah, it's a Luxe brand, I think. So I got my Rare Beauty blush. This is my first ever Rare Beauty blush. Stunning! I got the shade like I wanted a deep neutral shade. This is in the shade Encourage because मेरे पास pink और peach blushes हैं mostly, so इसलिए. Next up, I got this PAC glitter liner. This one is in the shade Just a Fantasy. This is like a stunning glitter liner. They had other shades as well, but I absolutely loved it and it looks exactly like it is right now in the bottle. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Look. It's beautiful. You can use this as your eyeshadow as well. I'll just spread it and it will become an eyeshadow for you. Next up, I got Inglot ka white eyeliner because I was looking for a good white eyeliner, and I did try few of the drugstore brands like Makeup Revolution and one more brand I tried, and I didn't like the performance, the application. So I was like, Inglot has some best eyeliners, so I got this one. Black नहीं लिया मैंने, white लिया है. लोग black लेते हैं, Inglot का मैंने white लिया because I wanted to experiment a bit with my makeup. So I got a white eyeliner. Then I got the black eyelash glue. So yes, I got this Shop Apparel Photo Ready Eye Glitter. This one is in the shade number 4, and this is a stunning, like a white, and it reflects a bit. You won't be able to judge it right now, but it's really pretty. So I'll definitely use it in the wedding season. I have to go to attend a wedding. This is the last product. So this one is a mascara. This is the Ferrari mascara. A lot of makeup artists use it for the lower lash line differently and for the upper lash line. And it's so premium, so luxury. This was for 1500 rupees. And one side is for lower lash line, like that. And the other side is for the upper lash line. The upper lash line mascara, I wanted to give it a shot because I've heard really good things about this one. This is a double head mascara. Yeah, that's it. That was my haul. I know it was not that big, huge haul, but I loved all the products that I got. I haven't used all of them yet, but I'm excited to try them out. And let me know if you guys would like to see a review video or a try on video with these products, and I'll create a makeup look for you guys. Yes, if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. I'll tag most of the products in the product tag section for you guys, so you can check them out. And yes, I'll see you in the next one.